Renovating our home on a budget. Renovating a home can be a daunting task, especially if you're on a tight budget. However, it's still possible to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank. In this article, we'll explore some tips and tricks to help you renovate your home on a budget. Plan and prioritize. The first step to renovating your home on a budget is to plan and prioritize. This means identifying what areas of your home need the most attention and creating a budget for each area. For instance, you may want to focus on renovating your kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. Once you've identified your priorities, you can start researching and comparing prices for materials and labor. DIY projects. Another way to save money on home renovations is to tackle some of the projects yourself. DIY projects can be a fun and rewarding way to add a personal touch to your home. For example, you can paint your walls, install new light fixtures, or replace cabinet hardware. Just be sure to research the project thoroughly before you start, and be realistic about your skills and abilities. Shop smart. When it comes to buying materials and supplies, it pays to shop around. Look for sales and discounts, and compare prices at different stores. You can also consider buying used or refurbished items, such as appliances or furniture. Just be sure to inspect the items carefully before you buy, and ask about any warranties or guarantees. Repurpose and upcycle. Repurposing and upcycling items can be a great way to save money on home renovations. For example, you can turn an old dresser into a bathroom vanity, or use old doors to create a unique headboard for your bed. Get creative and think outside the box when it comes to repurposing and upcycling items. Focus on details. Sometimes, small changes can make a big impact on the look and feel of your home. Focus on the details, such as replacing old light switch covers, adding new window treatments, or updating your doorknobs and hinges. These small changes can give your home a fresh new look without costing a lot of money. Hire a contractor. If you're not confident in your DIY skills, or if you're tackling a larger renovation project, you may want to hire a contractor. However, hiring a contractor can be expensive, so be sure to get multiple quotes and compare prices. You can also ask for references and check online reviews before hiring a contractor. Make a budget and stick to it. The most important thing to remember when renovating your home on a budget is to make a budget and stick to it. It can be tempting to overspend on certain items or projects, but remember that every dollar counts when you're on a tight budget. Keep track of your expenses and adjust your budget as needed. In conclusion, renovating your home on a budget doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little planning, creativity, and hard work, you can give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank. Just remember to prioritize your projects, shop smart, focus on the details, and make a budget and stick to it.